CONNOVA is a leading engineering house for lightweight engineering solutions and a manufacturer of high-quality composite parts, tooling and assemblies. We focus on customers in the segments of aviation, space, motorsports, defense and industrial applications. Besides these customer-tailored products, we have a pipeline of own CONNOVA products. Our team initiated, for example, an internal R&D project with the aim to develop a fully automated high-performance helicopter drone. Within a time frame of less than 2 years, from the first design sketches to a fully autonomous flying system, we succeeded to design, develop, manufacture and approve a turbine-powered vertical takeoff and landing drone, carrying a payload of 65 kilograms over a flying time of more than 4 hours. This high-tech project not only demonstrates CONNOVA's outstanding manufacturing capabilities and engineering excellence in a wide range of engineering disciplines, but also our visionary drive and entrepreneurship to deliver innovative solutions to global markets. We are proud to have developed nothing less than the world's most advanced VTOL system, the HT-100.